I wanted to talk a minute about shipping sperm and embryos from Israel to the United States. There's something called the FDA that monitors what we do in the United States, and they're very selective about what we can and how we can accept different samples. So I just want to give you a couple hints about that. Sperm samples collected before 2005 and embryos as well, collected before 2005, have no regulations on them. We can talk about that. For sperm that's been collected or embryos collected after 2005, the FDA has very specific requirements. There has to be certain lab tests that are done at specific labs within 7 days for the sperm. And for embryos, if the embryos were collected originally for you. So if you made embryos, you and your partner made embryos, and they were originally going to be going into you, then that's one thing we can work with, getting those embryos shipped to us and use. If they were collected originally for a gestational carrier, so if you collected them with that in mind in the beginning, then all the FDA requirements are in place, which means the sperm has to be tested with a specific lab within 7 days, and the person producing the eggs within 30 days. So that's extremely important to understand what we can and can't accept. I'm not saying that other clinics don't do that, but what I can tell you is the FDA is very strict and the penalties are significant. So at this current time, we're not accepting embryos and sperm that's not been collected appropriately.